Would you press the button? An extraordinary detective, able to solve any crime. But every solved case opens a box of unforeseen consequences and moral dilemmas. Possess the power to control and manipulate memories, but using this ability erases a significant memory from your own past each time. Have the gift of telepathy, that you can only communicate with people through cryptic dreams that they may or may not understand. Have an encyclopedic knowledge of every subject in the world, but you can only access this information when you're in a state of deep meditation.